Sixth, A group elements, oxygen family. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium, livermonium. Group number 6, valence electron 6. Valency 8 minus group number 8 minus 6 is equal to 2, charge minus 2. So here you have to remember these elements: oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium, livermonium. So here you remember the code. Old style say TPO, old oxygen, style sulfur, selenium say tellurium, TPO, polonium, livermonium, liver. So you have to remember this code. ओल्ड स्टाइल से TPO, नहीं तो liver खराब हो जाएगा. This is the code. So here you remember that oxygen there in second period, so electron configuration is 2s2 2p4, sulfur third period 3s2 3p4, selenium fourth period 4s2 4p4, tellurium fifth period 5s2 5p4, polonium sixth period 6s2 6p4, seventh period livermonium 7s2 7p4. It means general electron configuration is ns to np4. N is nothing but period number. So here atomic number also you have to remember that 8, 16, 34, 52, 84, 116. So here oxygen 8 we know, sulfur 16 we know. So here you have to add 18 to the 16, 34 selenium, then 18 again tellurium 52, then 32 again 84 polonium, 32 again livermonium 116. So in this manner we have to remember atomic number. So this is the important group. So this group is known as chalcogens. Why chalcogens? These are ore products. It means whatever the metals we are getting in the earth crust are in the form of oxide or sulfide. For example, hematite, magnetite, Fe2O3, Fe3O4, oxygen, cinnabar, HGS, sulfur is there.